Hey guys, welcome to week 5. This is your Watch Me First for week 5. So I decided to make a Watch Me First because there's a lot of documents on this and I do not want you to get a little worried or overwhelmed. So let me explain these documents to you. So when you open up the reading folder, you are going to see documents that are related to you writing objectives, your action verbs, formative assessment, how to write an objective, examples of it. All of these are used to make a lesson plan. So that is what these readings are. And these readings are maximum of a page or two and they are very simple to go through. Okay. Here, this Word document is your template for your lesson plan reflection. Okay. Here is the rubric, that is the lesson plan rubric. Then the next one that you have is your observation evaluation form. So remember when I talked about that you're going to actually design a lesson and then do it in the classroom with the students. And this is the lesson you design and this is the one that you actually do it. So, and this is the form that is used to observe you. Here is the rubric that is used to grade this form. This is a very big rubric, but I put it in there so that you can see what is an accomplished, a proficient, a developing, and improvement needed in these areas. So you have that. And then here is your quiz 2 instructions, which is the quiz for this week. Your quiz 2 instructions will tell you clearly that the quiz is on chapter 3, which is all about the lesson plan, teaching through problem solving. The 3-phase format of before, during, and after. It is worth 18 points and you have multiple choice and open-ended questions and you will not have time to go back and redo it. So you have one attempt, unlimited time. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Your quiz 2 is going to be available on Pearson. So you go down to Pearson. And then you go to your assignments. And when you go to your assignments, let me make sure. So mine looks a little bit differently, but you're going to have a quiz 2 over there. Okay. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I am right here to help you guys navigate all of this stuff and also for us to have a lot of fun learning. I will see you in class on Wednesday and we will rock it.